Warning. The following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental. They thought it would ruin the car. They thought wrong. This summer/winter, we install the Recall software update. Did it slow down the car? No, it didn't. Did it reduce the noise outside? No, it didn't. Did it reduce the noise inside? Yes, it did. No more fake noise. Did it change the behavior of the car at all? Well, it did. Yes, it did. But that could possibly be related to, oh my god, what a sentence, to the deletion of the adaptations. If you didn't know it, your car has adaptations. It learns how you want to drive. It adapts to you. It's always studying you, a bit like Google and Amazon and all of those guys. Even your car is in on it, god damn it. Eventually, adverts will pop out on the dashboard and you'll have to buy stuff, otherwise the car will not move. Of course, I'm kidding about all of this. But generally speaking, the software update didn't change the car that much. But there is an issue I failed to realize earlier, and that is the suspension. Adaptive suspension has become worse since the software update. Comfort mode is now harder. Sport mode is now softer. And these traffic lights have stopped working since the software update on my car. So, let's see who blinks first. Well, I am behind a bunch of wimps, so I guess I'm gonna be stuck here all day. But back to the suspension. The suspension is worse. I wish they just left it the way it was. Comfort mode was quite comfortable. And sport mode was just perfect. And this guy just doesn't want to go. Oh my god, dude, I know my suspension is worse, but that is no reason for you to just freeze. It's not that bad. But thank you for your concern. Oh my god, look, everybody's going on both directions. Good boy. That's it. That's all I have to say about the matter. No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.